Morning. The other day I was idly looking around on eBay and I was thinking, I would think I might like a mechanical siren. And then I saw this one. I should have guessed really, being as it cost less than £6. It's not very big. Let's test it. It's so small I'm going to have to put it on the battery. It's alright, I suppose. Don't know how long it will last. But as for how loud it is, let's get the decibel meter out. Here we are. Decibel meter set up, as you can see. Even me just talking takes it into 80 decibels. Let's test it. Decibels. But do bear in mind the decibel meter is sitting right next to it. Even so, it's loud, but how far the noise will carry I generally have no idea. I have another useless fact to share with you about mechanical sirens. Please hold. What you may not know about mechanical sirens is they draw air into the centre and blow it out the sides. Here I have a meter connected to show how much current the actual siren is drawing. When I initially start it, the meter will go off the scale, but it will soon drop down. But watch what happens when I cover the inlet. As you see, it's now drawing just over 2 amps. The amount of current goes down and the pitch goes up. You'll also see the same effect with a vacuum cleaner. When you're sucking in free air and when you're sucking up from a carpet, you'll hear the pitch of the vacuum cleaner change. Just a useless fact. As always, if you want to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.